even to the Muslims in anywhere else. He was answering to a question precisely to that, and we are just taking out. And he has even explained, clarified the same statement again, that he was only referring to the Belgavi seat because it is a Hindu centric or more Hindu dominated seats, and there would not be anybody from an answer to a question. He answered that yes, there will not be any Muslim candidate will be placed in that particular seat. The larger question is that
so you're saying it's sort of lost in translation, right? But what I hear from the translation that we've got from our reporters, he very emphatically states anybody but a Muslim.
Not really. So what he said is that he answered to a question. So what we are taking out that experts only from that a few lines from that and quoting or misquoting. If you really hear only that much, of course, what he said is right, what you are quoting. But if you really look at his complete interview, he said that with regard to the Belgavi seat, which is more of like a Hindu populated seat, where there will be only a Hindu candidate will be placed by BJP. And I don't think anything wrong with that particular statement as far as that much is concerned. If somebody says that no, we will only be having only a Hindu candidate all across, then that is definitely not acceptable. But having said that, to my good friend, what he said earlier, let me ask him that in Kerala there are two Lok Sabha constituencies which is called in the Malappuram district. In these two constituencies, from the last, tell me one time whether it is Congress or the LDF or that is the CPIM has ever put a Hindu candidate. Why only Muslim MPs comes from these particular two places? So I think let us not be selective with one comment or two comments.
Okay, let Mr. Hussain respond to that, please.
See,
seconds, let me ask you this question, then you will tell me that who is making a nonsense in this national television. The first question, my first question in Malappuram, why there is no...
One second, Mr. Hussain, you got your chance. Let him respond, please.
No, let me ask that question. Why don't you answer for that? Why there is no Hindu candidate has been placed by, whether it is the Congress or a CPIM from the last several decades, why you have not placed? Is it only because of that only a Muslim can win from those seats? Secondly, in BJP, as far as I am concerned, as much as I know, that the winnability of a candidate which matters, irrespective of which religion or which caste and creed which coming from. Secondly, there is a very famous speech of the great Atal Bihari Vajpayee in the parliament. The maximum number of Dalits were given the seats by no other party other than BJP. Even today, if you really look at it, the maximum number of MPs are coming from the Dalit or scheduled caste, scheduled tribes are from the BJP.
That's not the conversation here, Mr. Nambiar. The conversation was about religious lines, not caste lines. But we have to, I'm afraid I have to leave it here. I have to take an ad break. Thank you so much, Mr. Hussain and Mr. Nambiar, for joining us with your perspective. Quick break on the